This video demonstrates a lesson segment addressing content, and one element of addressing content is organizing students to interact with new knowledge. Now, as you watch this video of an elementary science teacher, notice what the teacher is doing actually to set students up to effectively interact in groups about new information.
I want to direct your attention over to this poster that you guys created about collaborative groups. You guys developed it. You need to take ownership in it because these are your ideas. These are your thoughts. We talked about what collaborative groups look like and what they sound like. Can you guys give me some ideas? What do you think collaborative groups, when you guys are working today, what should I be seeing and what should I be hearing? So again, hands are off of the materials right now. Okay. Katana, what's something that I should be hearing or something that I should be seeing?
You should be seeing people working together.
Okay, teamwork, working together. What else should I be seeing? Let's go for two more things that I should be seeing with collaborative groups. Pedro.
Stay focused so you can be on task.
Okay, stay focused, stay on task. And let's go with one more thing. Brian.
That you can't argue over who does what and who does what.
Right. Excellent. We talked about the different roles. You can take turns with the different roles. So if someone didn't get a chance to use the vehicle or didn't get a chance to attach washers, let them take a turn doing that. I also gave you something to do if you're an early finisher, your group. So how about hearing? What should I be hearing? Let's go with 3 things that I should be hearing in collaborative groups. 3 things that I should be hearing. Emily, what's one thing I should be hearing?
Everybody talking together, seeing how, so, for example, I want to tell them how with 16 washers I went faster.
Okay, so actually using the terminology here when we're talking about washers. What's something else that I should be hearing while I'm walking around? Pedro?
Why when other of your members group were talking?
Can you say that again for me? I just didn't hear you.
You should be quiet when a member of your group is talking.
Right. Be respectful to them. Listen to them when they're talking to you. Excellent. And Christian?
You're supposed to hear collaborating.
Okay. Collaborating. So feeding off of each other's ideas. You guys gave me awesome, respectful language, ways to talk to each other. Saying that you really like their idea or maybe we could try this. So you need to remember to do that today.
As you saw, the teacher was taking time to actually set the students up so they interacted effectively and efficiently about the new content. Organizing students to interact with new knowledge is not a matter of putting them into groups and saying, okay, talk about it. You actually have to establish routines and procedures for doing that, and that takes time, and this teacher was doing just that, making sure that they had established routines and procedures. Also note that the teacher alluded to the fact that the students had generated the procedures for interacting in groups. So, organizing students to interact with new knowledge, you just don't throw them into groups. You have to actually have routines for how they interact in groups. And this was a very good example of a teacher establishing those routines with students.